Otter.ai is an AI-powered platform that converts speech to text. It's useful for meetings, interviews, lectures, and more. Founded in 2016 and acquired by Zoom in 2021. As of January 2026, Otter.ai launched Otter 3.0, incorporating advanced multimodal AI models for improved accuracy in noisy environments and multilingual support, now covering over 40 languages, including real-time translation. Open the Otter.ai app on iOS or Android, or access the web version to begin recording. Click the record button to start capturing audio directly in the app. Otter.ai transcribes your speech in real time with sub-second latency, so start speaking clearly for the best results. During recording, you can pause and resume the audio capture as needed. The app uses noise cancellation technology to improve audio quality and transcription accuracy. This recording function is supported by deep learning algorithms, primarily using neural networks for automatic speech recognition. Otter.ai allows uploading pre-recorded audio and video files. Click the Import button and select your file from your device or cloud storage. Cloud storage options include Dropbox and Google Drive. Supported formats include MP3, MP4, and M4A. There is automatic file processing up to 4 hours per upload. The platform can achieve accuracy rates exceeding 95% for clear audio, with error correction via user edits. Once recorded or imported, the transcript appears in the Otter.ai editor. The text is synchronized with the audio, allowing you to follow along as the recording plays. You'll see timestamps that mark when each part of the conversation occurred, helping you navigate to specific moments in the recording. Speaker identification labels who is speaking at each moment, making it easy to follow conversations with multiple participants. Keywords are automatically highlighted to draw attention to important terms and concepts in the transcript. You can edit the text directly to correct any transcription errors and improve overall accuracy. To edit your transcript, simply click on any word that needs correction. Otter.ai will automatically jump the audio playback to that exact point, allowing you to verify the context. You can assign speaker labels to distinguish between different participants in your recording. This helps organize conversations and makes it easier to follow who said what. For better accuracy with industry-specific terms, you can create custom vocabularies. Add terms like technical jargon or company names to improve transcription quality. Finally, highlight important sections of your transcript and add notes for future reference. This makes it easy to find and review key points later. Otter.ai supports various export formats for your transcript. Click the Export button and choose your preferred format: TXT, SRT, DocX, or PDF. Features include searchable transcripts, summaries, and highlights, exportable to tools like Notion or Slack. Export settings allow you to include timestamps, speaker labels, and highlights. Transcripts can be exported to external tools like Slack for easy sharing. For optimal transcription accuracy, ensure clear audio by using a good quality microphone like this Fifine model with its boom arm and USB connectivity. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace to help Otter.ai accurately capture your words without rushing or mumbling. Reduce background noise as much as possible by recording in quiet spaces away from distractions like traffic or conversations. Correct any errors in the transcript immediately after recording or importing to improve future accuracy through Otter.ai's learning. Take advantage of Otter.ai's custom vocabulary feature to add specialized terms like proper names or industry jargon for better recognition. Otter.ai benchmarks show processing speed of 1.5x real-time for uploaded files, ensuring quick turnaround for your transcriptions. Otter.ai remains a leading AI-powered transcription platform in the current market landscape. The AI transcription market is projected to grow from $1.5 billion in 2025 to $5 billion by 2030. Key trends shaping the future include multimodal integration, combining transcription with AI summarization, sentiment analysis, and live translation. Partnerships with companies like OpenAI enable contextual insights and advanced features. However, challenges include competition from open-source models like Whisper, pushing Otter.ai toward proprietary enhancements in accuracy and scalability.